Hello everyone. So in our stream, in our day, in our stream, so game 025 status. So yesterday I cannot hear myself. I'm not sure. Interesting. Why this thing is highlighted bug 1? Anyways, let's go through AI generated content and see what's going on here. So it's definitely not 20 centimeters from tip of your head to the eyes, right? So let me correct this one. So if person 1.8 meters, right, where eyes level normally would be.
If a person is 1.8 meters tall, their eyes would normally be at a level of around 1.7 to 1.8 meters from the ground.
No, where eyes would normally be at. (10 to 12 centimeters). This is because the skull extends upward. Housing is a position is roughly at the vertical midpoint of the head. Use standard anatomic estimate. The eyes sit approximately 6-7 below the top of the total body weight height. Height 170, 168. Let's do 169, I guess. Oh. Okay, create shape tools and capsule shape settings, half height of cylinders, right? So capsule half height, capsule radius. What? Why it's 0.6? So shape settings, capsule shape settings.
Neekslal said, stuck on ADS.
Okay. Shape settings. Const. Translated settings. Rotated translated shape settings.
My doc said I need to lose weight.
Yeah, my doc said same thing, and I'm losing weight. I need to lose. Today in the morning I weighed myself. It was 161. So I need to lose 3 more pints. 3 more pounds. I've got sugar. So
Bitter tall.
yeah, I'm 172. I do not know how much is it in meters. In 172 in centimeters and feet and inches. It's 5'7", 5'8".
But Don and opposed to you have gym at work.
Yeah, you cannot lose weight by exercising. You can lose weight by restricting calories. This is the common way to lose weight. I mean, if you have super strong, if you are very motivated, I guess you can lose weight by exercising.
Is it a nice gym? I assume so.
It's okay, gym. I think it's rather small, but it's fine. There is we do not need bigger gym because there is not too much people. Why is voice so fast? ADHD voice, right? Anyways, translate settings, translate shape, rotated translate shape settings. What the is this thing? In position, in rotation, in shape. In position. Okay, so it raised up by 0.9, I see. So it should be 1.8 divided by 2. Okay. Okay, and shape translated settings, create. So I guess I can do it this way. Equals M shape, M supporting volume, M up, and
can I visit you at work next time I'm back in Holly?
I can arrange probably. You would need to do some paperwork. I did not have visitor for so long. So
this
this is a good question. the tours before COVID was allowed. Of course, during the COVID, tours were not allowed. No matching constructor. Okay, it doesn't. It did not work. So kind of stuck doing it this way. Like you would need to sign NDA and stuff, and I would need to ask what I need to do to bring people for tour, because I did not have tourists for so long. Okay, shape. So what shape is this? Okay, shape. Character setting.
Will you be with me, or will you be too busy?
I would have to be with you. I would need to escort you everywhere. Plane. Axis Z. Contacts with Z are supporting. Max slope angle. Degrees to radians. Okay, so pi divided by 4.
You never had take your kid to work day.
I did. I did bring my kids a million times, but they are all big and they are not interested anymore. It's like they don't care. And they've been at my job so many times. They kind of last what is it, Pumpkin Day, Halloween, I made the paperwork to bring them all, and nobody wanted to go.
Is it a big campus or pretty fast tour?
No, it's not big, it's quite small. M character. So apparently that is going to leak. That's true.
Wow, Mini Mika isn't and opposed T Mini anymore.
Yeah, Mini Mika is Killer Mika now. Get character. What the heck is going on here?
Did they find new interesting hobbies?
Mini Mika is liking to read, play games, interested in astronomy, and things related with it, space exploration. He's got a piano, but I don't think he's playing on it. M character. So this is a definitely leak. Get position. Set position.
Does our campus have the audio engineers working there?
Yeah, of course. We do have audio engineers. It's a AAA game studio. We have audio engineers, artists, 3D modelers, like everything. Game designers, mockups, artists.
How am I allowed to see the audio stuff?
I do not know where the audio place is located. You know, it's not big, but there is still a lot of rooms. And look, stop doxing me. What's going on? Why there is a new here?
Oh, sorry.
Character. So I guess instead of pointer, since it says ref, okay, I guess ref is fine. So it's not going to leak. Ugh. Physics system.
Are you fixing the AI code?
I'm fixing the AI code, exactly, yeah. So get the shape. And I'm as well not happy not only with AI code, but as well of architecture of the architecture of. I just started doing it. It's not too bad, but this is not AI work. It's physics engine work. So they have reference and controlling the lifetime using the reference counter. There is a shared pointers, and I do not know why they didn't do it with shared pointers. They did it their own JPH reference, and it is confusing because it's not reference, it's a pointer, and you have to explicitly create it with new, which is awful. Anyways, character settings to virtual settings. So shape, supporting volume. So there is a plane underneath. Max slope angle. Up axis. Predictive contact distance.
Our mic sounds so much better.
So much better than compared with what? Character virtual, so settings 0. Okay, so it's positioned at 0. So
It was peeing last night.
oh yeah, it's not picking, huh? That's weird. What happened to the mic? I did not change any settings. Oh my, why it's showing this one here? It's like it should peak like crazy. Maybe I do not understand what's going on here. So let me put on 4, maybe, or 5. Yeah, let me do it like this. Oh, I know what's happened. The fuse blow up
Do you
today.
ever reboot RPC or only for updates?
Yeah, so normally I do not reboot my laptop, but today fuse blow up, so everything is rebooted and everything is reset. So this is why I put on 40%, so mic hopefully should not clip anymore. Gameplay. Oh my god, I see what's going on. So there is a
Who is our mod?
reference.
He showed me that cheap China deal.
Who is your mod? He showed me that cheap China deal. Who did show you cheap China deal? I do not remember. Ilya? I think it was Ilya. Or
Yes,
oh no
I
no
wanted
no.
to thank them.
Or enjoy to leave. I think enjoy it to leave has mod. I don't think Ilya has mod, so I guess enjoy to leave. So it passes gameplay and then physics system. It's like get physics system, get temp allocator. So why to do it this in direction? Just pass the physics system and allocator, right? Physics system. So okay, so instead of passing the gameplay, it should pass. Oh, let me see if things are still working. So I do not. I think I'm a little bit short. Maybe it's right height. It's hard to say. I guess I should let me get the blender, and I probably should add some ruler. So somewhere here, add the plane, and it's gonna be a rotation around y 90 degrees. So let's make it to align to grid. Okay. That's kind of weird. Oh, increment, absolute increment snap. Okay. I should use array, right? Anyways, it's fast. Okay. And text. So it's not one, it's 10 centimeters. Twenty. 30. Oh man. 40. 50. Okay. So now all of them I have to convert to mesh. How to do is Control A? No, Alt A. uh, and then I'll just select all of it and Control J. Where are you? Let's call it a ruler.
The ruler.
Okay, so we have a ruler. So I need to probably set origin to 3D cursor. Okay. Okay. So we have a ruler, and while I'm here, probably should fix stairs. Okay, stairs are fixed. I guess for ruler I should give it to some sort of thickness. So so maybe I should fix that Z fighting. Okay, so we've got the ruler, fixed stairs. So let me put the ruler in the world. So I need to switch to editor mode, define editor 1. Okay, and I need to add the ruler, I don't know, somewhere here. I'm not seeing it. Oh. Oh, there is a duplicates. Okay, so somewhere here, a ruler. Where are you? Oh, quite big. I do not understand why, so guess I need to fix it. So I need to apply rotation and scale. Okay. So let's see. Huh. Still still big and oh, wait a second. Yeah, I forgot to push this button. Okay. Here we go. So there is a ruler. So we've got a ruler. Get back to game on. So yeah, I'm very short. I guess. Let's see. This is I'm looking forward. It's like 1 meter tall. So it's definitely not right. Okay, so let's continue. Look at the changes. So yeah, there is a ruler added. It's probably can hard code it to 0. We'll do maybe it was like a 6 something like this. Let me see where it's located. -6, -6. Okay, -6, -6. Jump requested, and there is a tick physics system. Yeah, I guess instead of gameplay should do what I'm doing. So yesterday I was a bit lazy and asked AI to integrate physics engine in the game. It did make it work, which is I was very impressed. But the code is have plenty of bugs. Like for example, there is a clipping for walls, and the character height is not matching. So I would expect to be way higher, but here's it. It's like around 100 centimeters. There is no climbing on what is it, on stairs, and as well falling down is like instantaneous, like it falls boom like this, and I cannot climb on stairs, which is broken as well, so I cannot go up. So I'm going to fix all these bugs, and as well I'm going to clean up the code. So this is what I'm doing. And currently AI made to pass M gameplay, and I think I would pass to character physics and allocator. I don't know why it needs allocator. Well, extended update. So let's go to gameplay. So there is a physics systems initialization, and then character, CNAT character. Oh, how did it work? Oh, so these. Thank you. I need a lock for sure. So I need to pass physics system and cater. Allocator, temp allocator, physics system and temp allocator, and I can remove this one and physics system. So in the character I would have system class reference wrapper physics system, and I don't think I need to put class here, right? So and JPH temp allocator impl, and it's gonna be temp cater. Okay, like this. So desired velocity jump requested. So get rid of M's. Jump requested. Okay. So character. So it's gonna take 2 pointers. Page temp allocator impl. JPH. Okay. a physics system, a temp allocator, system temp allocator, a temp allocator, okay. So character physics system, desired velocity, character jump, image concern for instantiation, character virtual, okay, character desired velocity, okay, update settings. Half a meter, stick to floor, step down, extend, update physics system, gravity, update settings, get default layer filter, and update DT, get gravity, update settings, character, set linear velocity, I'm wondering, that should be probably 0. Current vertical velocity, current vertical velocity. Actually, this code should work, right? Current vertical velocity, ground state. Should work, but for some reason does not work. So let's see. Log current. How to make in BGFX debug text outputs. So debug text. Debug text print. BGFX set debug. BGFX set debug. BGFX set debug. Okay, so it is set, and then BGFX text clear. Gameplay. And character BGFX text printf. XY 20 500 background by text 0f 0f current vertical velocity. There is no prints. I wonder why. So if I put it here, test. No, There is nothing. Let's see if I put clear here. Something is missing. Something is missing. Let me look at the endless drive. So I was printing FPS. So 0F. Oh, I see. I see what's going on. 0, 10. Okay, so let's do 5. 3 I think is fine. So let's go to character. So it's like 310, right? 310, and put this one at very top. So yeah, it's not reacting on space for some reason. What's going on? So get linear velocity. So I think I should not apply it. It's like this thing never become on ground, but it's not falling through neither, so it's 0. So there is a bug, so I need to assign material. If material is not assigned, it's getting randomly assigned. Let me fix it. Control S, Control S. Get ground state. Get ground state. E ground state on ground, steep ground not supported in air. Okay, so switch ground state. Case. Let's put 11, I guess. And on ground break. Case on steep ground. Case not supported. Case in air. What's going on? Why you formatting like this? Whatever. In air. Yeah, it is truly in air. But why gravity is not affecting it? Extended update. Back free. JPH vec free 0000. So why you're not liking my constructor? Not from jet to float and third yeah. So what's wrong with that in this case? Vibe to body float and I see. So it should be what is it? Get Z. Not supported. So what not supported means? touching an object, but it is not supported by it and should fall. Get ground xxx function will return information about the touched object. Y returns, what is it, jolt physics. Y character get returns not supported even it is on the ground.
Jolt physics. Y character get ground state return non-supported even though it is clearly on the ground. Or Jolt physics. Y character get ground state returns non-supported even though it is clearly grounded.
What just happened? Visually stain the answers, but engine insists its errors. It usually comes down to how Joel defines ground versus how you see. Get ground state relies on specific set of geometric and physical conditions being met during here's the most likely max slope angle defined and character also lies that unsupported. And max slope angle. Let's put that angle maybe up. Vector mismatch. Jolt needs to know which way is up to calculate. Doesn't align with world gravity. M up this is Z gameplay. Context offset and skin wave. Few character shape slightly covering due to large or filter mismatch. Get ground normal. Not supported. collision system update. Character. Character extended update. I don't know. So what else I want to print? Current, vertical velocity, 11, 12, position maybe. New position X, Y, Z. New pose get X. New pose get Y. Get Z. So 60 centimeters. Well, give me 1 second. Let me switch to webcam. Okay. Jolt physics integration. The character at the start. Down, which is correct. The what ground state is on air, which is correct, but it is, but it's it stops falling with z value minus 0.6. And the ground state become unsupported. Help me debug and help me find the bug. Character CPP. And the ground level is 0, so I can see with the ruler. And yeah, it's definitely negative 60, so the bottom should be on the ground, right? And then it falls down. So this like definitely AI generated. It has like this kind of AI vibe. Yeah, Pinterest is littered with AI currently. So every setup looks fine, I guess. I do not know where is the... Oh, there is that thing, capsule half height, capsule radius, capsule shape settings. Maybe something wrong with that. Then it's so it's translated up, but so half height. Let me Google for that thing. Capsule shape settings. Convex shapes. Convex capsule shape settings. So constructor, so I need to look at the constructor. Capsule shape settings. So that might be... maybe I need to rotate it, right? 90 degrees. Does it match? So radius is 0.3 meters. Okay, let me see. Right, so if capsule is on the side like this, so this is 0.3, and then that guy was moved down by 90 centimeters, 0.9, right? So that one would be 0.9 minus 0.3, 0.6. So it's on the side. Okay, so I need to rotate it 90 degrees. So that mystery is solved, but there is our issues, right? Yeah, so it's rotating, which is correct, 90 degrees. Okay. So let's check it out. Hey. So I think, yeah, I'm looking at 160. This is correct. It says on ground as well. Oh my god. Everything is fixed. Jumping is working. So probably I should change to 45 degrees. Falling down is working. Hey, nice. Okay, there is a have a device bugs character issue was caused default orientation comes because caps was horizontal, so translate they have updated the character should correctly. Yeah, so that is working. So I divided by 8. Let me divide by 4, so it's gonna be 45 degrees, right? By divide by 2 is 90 degrees. Yeah. By 4 it's 45. So I'm wondering if I would be able to go upstairs. Okay, let me stage all these changes. Okay, and that fixed. Another issue, the character has troubles going up stairs. So let's see if that would fix the stairs problem. Oh, I did fix. Oh my god. going downstairs. Going upstairs, going downstairs. Nice. So this is the junction. Then we go down. No problem on slopes. So we are about 1 kilometer, 0.7 kilometer, yeah, away from the, but like axis did not change. So this is the, so we'll have a bunch of this sort of tunnels here. Oh, because I'm too far away, I think ambient occlusion is start glitching. So there is those tunnels, and you can go through these tunnels, and I'm planning to add like a procedurally generated dungeons here. But like right now it's a dead end here, so let's go back. So I was thinking 2 kilometers, right? I can I'm covering like quite fast, but like I'm running, so this is the running speed, and essentially not the jogging, it's like running really hard. So there is like a bunch of tunnels here, and at the end should be yeah, I think it's this place. I do not remember. Yes, this glitching is kind of bothering me. I do not know why it's glitching like this. Or maybe it's a Z fighting. Is it Z fighting? It might be Z fighting. It looks like a Z fighting. Okay. So we 1 kilometer away from the yeah. So this is it's BGFX, and this backend is Vulkan backend. But I'm using BGFX to do heavy lifting. Oh, there is a cube here, so it's on the way. Cannot get in. I forgot to delete the cube. There is a note. They are not aligned. There is the holes here. Okay, I need to remove the cube, but this is going to be going down here on the spiral, and essentially right now it's ending, but there is I'm planning to have more stuff. Okay, cool. So physics is working. Collision with walls working. Oh, crashed. We crashed. We crashed. So why we crashed? It says IOV is near 0. Get penetration depth step.
/ don't supply a 0 EOV. We only want to get points on the hull of the Minkowski sum and not internal points. / note that if the assert below triggers, is very likely that you have a mesh shape that contains a degenerate triangle, e.g. a sliver. / go up a couple of levels in the call stack to see if we're indeed testing a triangle, and if it is degenerate. / if this is the case, then fix the triangles you supply to the mesh shape.
Yeah, so I was suspecting. So let me kill it. There is some issues with that shape. So let's do solid, I guess, because they were like a flickering like crazy, and I was wondering maybe no. Or maybe it's in the level design. Okay, so, and I'll probably need to remove the cube anyways. So let me go to main, switch to editor. And remove the cube as well. So this guy. No. This looks fine. So what's going on? This guy as well looks fine. There is a cube. Let me remove the cube. So I'll put it on the side. So not sure what's going on with this. Yes, looks like there is a... No, it looks fine in the... no. There is something strange is going on. What is it? It looks like acne. So it's not duplicated here. Let's look at in the Blender. This looks fine in the Blender. So let's see if there's a below triggers. It's very likely that you have a mesh shape that contains degenerate angles. E.g. sliver. Let's ask what is what is it has zero area. Essentially its triangles does not look like a triangle at all because its three vertices are arranged in a way that they don't close any space, while technically it has three corners itself. It functions as a 2D shape. How triangle how to find that sort of triangles in Blender? Thread mode, ensure face select mode, press 3, navigate to selection menu, select trace degenerate. Okay, so let's go to Blender. Select by I don't know. Degenerate copy. I don't think there is that one. No. No results found. How to find triangles in Blender? Let degenerate dissolve. Select all vertices. Mesh, clean up, degenerate, dissolve. Remove 0, yeah, it says 0. Everything here is good. Or maybe that one. I think I've been here, right? And I tried to hit this angle and bad things happens. Let's see. Mesh, clean up, degenerate, dissolve. Nope, 0. I don't know. Clean up, degenerate, dissolve. 0 vertices, 0 edges, 0 faces. Yeah, not sure why it's happened. So let's go back to main.cpp to the game mode. So I guess I should put like a camera somewhere. It should be inside the. Maybe I should make the capsule fatter a bit. So 30 centimeters. I don't know. Maybe 30 centimeters is fine. But head is still clipping through walls, so where the camera is, eyes, right? So where is it? It's in the gameplay, right? So character, there is a cam node and base node 1.6 1.69, slightly higher, right? It's 0, 0, 0. So I'm wondering, maybe I should make the capsule a bit fatter. I don't know. Maybe I should measure myself, or I'll just double it. So let's see. Character cpp capsule radius. So let's do. So it should be like this. Oh yeah. So it's a bit better. Oh, There is a near field as well, I see. There is a this. Oh, this is why clipping was happening. Near view. I probably can set it up. So let's set it up. So let's get back to that, and then render near GLM perspective. Ten centimeters. Yeah, what? 60 degrees. I think it should be that like this, right? Or it's too wide. No, that's, I think that looks right. Or it's too wide. No, I think it looks right. Everything looks right. Yeah, wide was 60 degrees. 60 degrees is too little. So 10 centimeters. 1 centimeter. No, it's still clipping. Huh. Kind of confused. Why it's... This is completely wrong. Oh my god. Oh my god. So funny. So the whole capsule is moving. That's so funny. So this is 10 centimeters. I think it's a good one, but so rotation should be applied to the not to the capsule. I guess Z rotation, your rotation should be applied to capsule, but pitch rotation should be applied to the camera only. Okay, so main. So let me, for now, just get rid of pitch. So we cannot move up and down. Yeah, up and down is disabled, but I'm looking slightly down, so I think there is a somewhere setting it up incorrectly. Gameplay character. Come on. Character says position, set rotation. Yeah, so let's remove that. Okay. Okay, so yeah, that's working perfectly. So we cannot look up and down, but this is looking as expected. So gameplay. So this one. Cameron. So what I should do, probably character and then weak pointer base node 3D eyes. Okay. So and do eyes and base node 3D and then auto L eyes equals dot log insert eyes and L eyes set position GLM avec free 00169F. Okay, and then auto get const. I guess should not do const. Weak pointer base node 3D vector return eyes. So delete that and L character get eyes. Okay. So everything should be same. Nice. Yeah, so bumping as we're supposed to bump. Going up and down on stairs. Okay. Now, set the rotation. Auto L eyes equals lock. And actual D pitch, new pitch, current pitch, D pitch, current pitch. So everything with pitch should be moved here. So we need forward. Okay, and then L eyes set rotation times that one. Hmm. Something not right. Ah, okay. Yes. So it should be like this. Yeah, still doesn't do what it's supposed to do. What's going on? Ah. Okay. Now it should work. Now it should work. Yeah, it's working, and we would not clip through walls. Nope, not clipping through walls. Nice. That was actually funny. It was like, what's going on? But like, here. Wee. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. So that one, we moved eyes into the character. Remove the eyes from the character. Set rotation. Oh yeah, so initial rotation. Okay. It's almost 11, so I think I should commit that changes and then continue on the later. So there is some badness somewhere. So this is add mesh to physics. Yeah, so like meshes updates. So what happened here? Oh yeah, DT was removed, which might be okay. So all this stuff is good stuff. This is good. This is good. Get physics shape. Physics shape. It's actually collision shape, maybe. So it should be probably renamed to collision shape to be aligned with Unreal Engine. Yeah, this is good. This is good. Get asset. Not 3D. I don't know. I'm not sure that's good. I don't know if this is good and where it's used. I can probably do. Add mesh to physics. So this is lambda. Oh, what's going on here? Add mesh to physics scene. It just iterates. position, rotation, scale. Let's get physics, shape. This might be just extend the mesh and do like a get. Anyways, yeah, there is a way to figure out things. Gameplay. Okay, I'm going to at least commit that changes. Work in progress. Cleaning up the icon.
Working in progress. Cleaning up the AI code.
Okay. And I'm going to sleep. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.